Rise and shine. This is what Ella's on. Lift it. Go. Woo! My bodyguard. Rolling us through the town. Oi! Oi! Big fan, big fan. That semi-skin stuff. Quality. You can't park there. Going for the undertake.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Got that dirty tar. Look at his morning cleaning shoe. He's got that dirty tar. He's not with it. Anyone got online so I can lock my snot? That's the thing.
Oh, then you're done.
Come on, taking the bikes back. Solo disfrutar. Oh my fuck. Come back and get me said. Motive down here, yeah? Someone's pop. Right off, show him the two-step, G. Show him the two-step. Jeez. Oh, she's getting the hang of it. She's getting the hang of it. There you go.
Thank you so much.
no worries. Look, we wish everything was perfect, but then what we dream about. Are we on this earth for the purpose to seek it out? Smoking on my herbs, getting deep when I speak out loud. Feeling like I'm stuck in the surface because all I see is clouds. Track me with that version, but I got the route. Got your back when you're earning, but never when you're down. Only when you're... Yeah, look, fuck off. Look. I paint a picture with my words, I'm like Picasso. Money's the objective, I'm trying to see that dough. No resting till I see that growth. Not yet seen what my best is, I'm nowhere close. Look, I raise a toast, I can see my goals are close. I see it so clear and I ain't really one to boast. I don't roll down the stream in a boat, I coast. I got moves like Mick Jagger from the Rolling Stones. Aye. Arch it for a brother. Yeah. Jeez. Look. Anytime of the day I'm getting dough. And they listen to me, they wanna know. They wanna know. Spitting the heavy flows. I'm in Lanka with a goal. Lanka with a goal. Look. Out in Sri Lanka, come see the arch bridge. Chick wanna arch it, flows like mine. No, never got the target, hitting all the targets. Bitch wanna arch it by the Sri Lanka bridge like that. I've been on the train, me I'm on the track. No, I never do it, no cap. Frank got his hair in a band. I'm only done him on the bend. Woo!
But I'm still hardcore. You're gonna give me everything I asked for.
Well, that don't look like the pictures. Are you married? Don't get married. The wife booked this, but somehow it's my fucking fault. One day at a time. Avoid negative sources, people, place and habits. Believe in yourself. Consider things from every angle. Don't give up. I can't remember to read all that, but it goes down to Z. Is he tensing? Oh, poor thing. Build.
You hating, but there's nothing that you changing. Don't rubber maintaining, no complaining when it's raining. I'll be in another.
Food was delish. Oh, they're having it. They're off. Yeah, free running. Oh, he's off. He's on the roof.
Shadow roll.
Ultimately, in the semi-final at least, not counting under the famous.
Go.
We turn the page to write the final chapter, match number 557.
Getting the pool down. Basically a backflip flat. Who wants it? Who wants it then? You want it?
Now, while I'm underwater, I thought I'd take the time to let everyone know. I appreciate you watching, and if you continue to watch my videos. And also watch the turn I do in the water. I believe it's called a tumble turn, but I'm no pro, so fill me in. With information, I don't want to fight.
See the dad?